So here the following list tells colors liked by 25 students. So colors, okay, here we have colors. Different colors are given in the data from here to here by 25 students. So when the answer frequency, when you add, it must come for 25. Prepare a table using tally marks. So you have to prepare a table using tally marks. So first take the colors and arrange the right colors. What are all the colors given? Check here. Red. So red, blue, white, gray, and this is repetition, green. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 colors are given. Right? Red, blue, white, gray, green. So read the second repetition, you must read. Just write all the colors one time. Okay, or all the colors one time. Just one time. So that is the first one. Given question, colors. Now second one, we are going to write tally marks. What are tally marks? When the number of repetition written in bars, straight dashes. So red, first red. Red how many times came? 1 and 2, 3, 4. So red came for 4 times. So we have put 1, 2, 3, 4. Now blue. So blue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 times the 5 strike and 1 6. Then whites. White came 1, 2. So white 2 times. The green came for 5 plus 2 7 times. Gray and green 6 times. Now when you add the frequency, 4 plus 6 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 7 19, 19 plus 6 25. So for total 25 students, the given answer should be right. The colors liked by 25 students. Second, next one, the following are the marks obtained by 30 students. So marks, the first column you must have that marks. Okay, that's we have written in numbers. It is marks by 30 students. So when we add the final total of frequency, we must get 30 in a class test out of 20 in maths subject. So you see there are two numbers, you should not confuse. By 30 students, the marks are obtained by students. So those numbers are 30. So that is the one we must get in adding the frequency. This one out of 20 is the data. The test has been conducted out of 20. So for that, the marks the students obtained are given 11, some have obtained 12, some have got full marks 20 out of 20. So likewise. So now using this, we are going to prepare a table using tally marks. So see here, 11 is there. So write 11. 12 is there, 13 is there, write them. Write all the numbers one time. Again there is a 12. You don't need to write. So this will be written in tally marks 2 times. Okay. First write each and every number given in the data one time. So it is given from 11, 12, 13 and 14 is given, 15, 16, 17, 18 and then 19 and 20. So all these numbers are written once times. Okay. You can mix it up and write. You don't have to write in order. When you come like this, when 12, 13 and you write 15, okay, and then 16 and 17, 18 and then you can come 20 and 14. So one time you write all the numbers and you can arrange them in ascending order. Now tally marks. So what are tally marks? Tally marks are representation of data in just bars. So we are going to see how many times, how many students out of 30. For 30 out of 30 students, how many students have got 11 marks? So 1 student and 2 students. Only 2 students have got. So 2 is the frequency. Then 12. How many students? So it is counted and 5 students. So the tally marks representation is very important. So this is 5. This is 4. 4. 5 plus 1, 6. So such wise you have to write. And the numbers, when you count 1, 2, 3, 4. So that should be written as frequency. You must memorize this heading. Marks So this is not just mark, this is about the question given. So here we are writing the marks. So this is the question marks. Tally marks and frequency should definitely be in the question which has been asked. Prepare a table using tally marks. You must have the second column tally marks, third column frequency, first column is for the given question. So in that you are writing tally marks and the number. Now when you add all these, it must come for the total 30 students. Similarly, the last question, this table shows a number of calls recorded by a fire service station in 1 year. They have given the table itself. So what are the types of calls, type, tally marks, frequency, everything is given. So in that, this table is all about number of calls recorded in the fire service station in 1 year. That's not necessary, but in 1 year. Okay. So building fires. So for a building fires, the calls came for about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No strike. So it is 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So let us fill the column. 5 plus 1, 6. And the types of calls came for other fires were 5. This is 5 and this is 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Now hazardous materials. For fires on hazardous materials for 7, they are given the frequency total number 7. So how will we write the tally marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. So our rescue operations, it had 4 calls. 2, 3, 4. False alarms. So false alarms were 5, 6, 7. So the frequency should be written as 7. Now we have completed the table, right? The blank tables given in the books we have completed. Now the question actually here is below. Complete the table and answer the following questions. So what is the first question here? Which type of call was recorded the most? Which type of call was recorded? Means in all these types of calls, which call has been recorded the maximum number. So let us check the frequency. So in checking the frequency, it will be easier, right? So what is the biggest number here? Maximum calls. So 11. 11 is the maximum time. So these are types of calls. So which calls? Other fires. For the question, which type of call was recorded the most? The type of call recorded the most was other fires. So it is other fires. Now, second one. Which type of call was recorded the least? So least means minimum, the smallest value. So what is the smallest value? 4. Rescues. The type of call recorded the least was rescues.